Hello and welcome to another Algorand video. I thought about, do I do another video today or not? And I actually decided to do one because it's just too much fun to watch this play out, as we said. I did a few videos now on Algorand and I think they get quite popular. So of course I will focus mainly on Cardano on this channel. But if I can see that coins or cryptos are going to break out, I will let you know. And I called it on this channel twice. Actually, I called two breakouts of Algorand, the most two recent ones, and they are happening now, and it is not stopping in my opinion. I think we are going to see some more upside here. What you can see here is just sort of highlighted sort of the movement of the strength of the trend, so you can see the steepness of that, and actually we are now getting even steeper. So this is just an indicator of how this trend is just accelerating actually still, and it's not slowing down. As soon as you see this slowing down, that needs to catch your attention, but it can't actually go much faster. It's already going parabolic nearly. So in my opinion, this is not going to stop yet. What we did this morning, and I go back to the daily chart, need to delete that, it just annoys me a little bit. So kind of predicted these two. First of all, we had that level here that we hit pretty much exactly, which was, if I zoom in, you can see it. I talked about the 134 level, and we pretty much hit that exactly. You can see that here. I then talked about that level here, which was the 140, and if I zoom out a little bit, that was a resistance level before. And this is where we sort of had a bit of difficulty to get through today. And now it seems like we are breaking above it again. So if I go to the 4-hour chart, there you can see that that was a little bit of a resistance level here, but we're just marching through really. So that is very interesting. And what we can see now is actually acting as support as well, that level. So where are we heading now? That's what I want to know. For me, that is not going to stop. Now I think we are going to continue. Now of course there can always be small areas of consolidation, as we know. Now it might not be that we just go through parabolic, but I think we are going to see some more breakouts. But to be honest, we've seen that major breakout here, which I talked about. I did that video when we were at 120. So I said when we get above this level here, that sort of 125 level, that is when we go probably mad, and this is where what we are doing. This is what we've done, and that breakout was pretty clear to me, was predicted. And then I said we were coiling up for that next breakout above the 134 level, and we did that. And now we are marching to the next level. So what are the next targets? Next targets are called out here on the right hand side: 147, 152, 157, 170, and then 172, but it's pretty much a range. I mean, prices are sometimes dynamic. So pretty much 170, and then 186, and 186 is pretty much the 52-week high that we had. And these are the next levels for me. And I think, we can see these levels this year. That's what I think. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see that massive cup and handle that's playing out at the moment. We see that cup shape here, and that was the handle, but this is now playing out. We broke above that level, as we said, and if we just take very roughly that target that we normally say from this end to here, this breakout level, this is normally what you say is sort of the target of a cup and handle. If that plays out and we just add it to the top here, so that would land us somewhere at just very crudely, very roughly at 165, 166. So it all depends, are you in there for the long run? Are you not in there for the long run? I'll probably start some profit taking potentially at the 160, 170 level. And if we talk about profit taking, that might mean that I just only maybe sell 25% of my Algorand portfolio, purely because I bought down here at $1. So it would just be a nice gain in a short period of time. I think though in the long run, of course, it will go up much higher. But I mentioned before to you that I've got a portfolio that I'm just not going to touch, and I've got one portfolio that I use sometimes for trading, and Algorand is one of these where I will probably also hold some for the very long run, but I want to do some trading as well. I want to do profit from some of these price increases. I mean, you could even argue that we've got a massive cup and handle here. So if we break above this level here, like the old all-time high that we just go to the moon, that's what I think. This project has a lot of potential. I think it has sort of been neglected in this current bull run. A lot of other cryptos have broken out already. This is currently breaking out. In my opinion, and this is only my opinion, it's not financial advice, it's not too late to buy yet for some short-term profit. But honestly, don't be surprised if we go down in the short term, just because we've now made some impressive gains over the last few days. There might be a little bit of consolidation, but I think we haven't seen the end of this uptrend yet. The problem is now that we are getting in overbought territory. So there might be a little bit of consolidation coming, but then I think we will very shortly continue that move to the upside. Of course, given that Bitcoin is not going down, but I think this one now is just catching up. It hasn't seen these price increases that other cryptos have seen, and yeah, it's playing out very nicely. So I think if we see what other cryptos are doing at the moment, and this one is only starting, we haven't seen the best yet. I think this is still to come. So I hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.